Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about this AutoManiacs foam cannon. I'm using some Chemical Guys car wash here, and you're just going to add your car wash into the foam cannon itself. Once you hook up your foam cannon to your pressure washer, it doesn't start out like super thick foam, but you'll be able to see that foam building. Here it goes, and it gets super thick. The purpose of having a great foam cannon is to help lift dirt and debris from the paint so that when you wash your car and you're scrubbing it, you're not scrubbing that dirt into your paint. If you're looking for a great foam cannon, give this one a try from AutoManiacs. It is fantastic.